Hey Elsa. June. What are you doing messing with the lawnmower? June. What are you doing messing with the lawnmower? Hey Elsa. Hey June. Hey Symbol. Hey Belle. Hey Frost. Symbol. You gotta take a leak. Take a little leak there. Symbol. Hey there, Frost. What you doing there, sweet girl? What you doing over there, Belle? Belle girl, what you doing? Symbol. June, are you gonna tear my lawnmower up? You gonna replace the lawnmower? You better. Quit doing that. That sounds terrible. Symbol's just not ready for me to petted like a kitten. Just yet. June likes to be petted, and of course Elsa's an attention seeker. She's a big sweet girl though. Ain't you, girl? Ain't you? June likes a little attention too. But Symbol don't. Symbol don't like no attention. Symbol, here I am. Symbol. Nah, not just yet. June quit chewing on my back of my leg. June, stop. She likes to climb up on me, but she's too big. I'm about to start making her stop. Stop, girl. You're making me ill. Quit. Quit chewing on my pants. What do I got up here? Right. I'll turn that up a minute. Right here. I'm gonna say let her rip. Tater chip. Dang it. And I get tied up in strings. Here you go, Symbol. You like tater chips? You don't like them? You like them? You like them? You don't like them? Oh! No, Elsa, you're too big for that. Here you go. Here's. Whoop. Dang it. I won't take them back up the house. Y'all ain't gonna eat them. I know what they want. They want a daggum animal cracker, but I'm out because they eat them all. After this bag, I ain't buying no more for a while. Watch this. Alright, that's it. Where's it? Alright, June. June. That's all I'm buying. Man, that's all I'm giving y'all. Symbol, I ain't gonna try to attack you, girl. It's freezing in here. She sure ain't letting them suck very good. She ain't real crazy about tater chips. I'm about to go in just a second, y'all. Bye, June. I'm going to bed. Y'all try to stay warm, okay? Good night, Symbol. Good night, Belle. Good night, Frost. Hey, when y'all gonna look up at me? Good night, Symbol. Good night, June. Good night, sweet girl. Elsa. Elsa 2 is who she is, because I already had Elsa. That's my Elsa 2. And we're out.